omako Sakaja?
Mokwongo kamano Cleophas, mokwongo gir Sakaja ni en tragedy. Sakaja gi President William Ruto e joma nodonje telo gi well wish mar the public. Sakaja ka nodonje telo Nairobi ne en underdog nikech regime mokwongo cha ne support Igathe. To nodonjo kacha cha gik manowacho were appealing to the public. Nomiye kura gi jopiny, ji nohere. Nobiro gi wach mar Kanairo, kani winje kaka nowuoyo kaka odwa tiyo Nairobi. In fact, debate mane giromo gi Igathe was very impressive. Kako dhi deal gi cartel, kako dhi chulo pending debts, kako dhi keto water systems. Nen gi figures e lwete kama. To no impress ji. Tragedy mare sani nyaka nodonje sirikal en one of the most failed governors. Mara ariyo ing'eni Nairobi city is the pivot of the Kenyan economy. 99% of what is driving the Kenyan economy is happening in Nairobi. Koro Sakaja kaka nodonjo governor odhi olal. We kata mana mar masani oringo lal ni. Oonge ga. The offices go onge kuma yudore jikia. Echa watimo program moro mar youth empowerment. Kidhi offices mag Nairobi County. Onge kata computer. Idhi kanyo nwadwa mondo gisign barua moro. Wanyiso mto okwaoru nutu print gionge kata computer offices. It is one of the most poorly mismanaged counties in Kenya. Koro ikia kata ni explain nango to gir Sakaja ni yao Pandora's box. Ingeni devolution has really failed Kenyans. Sani kata king'io ongoing politics jiwuoyo more about national government. To devolution, devolved government is receiving a lot of money. Mano nengo bed ni gitiyogo mondo gi reduce pressure mar national government. Nidwaro kata mondo urban rural migration omedre mondo cities obed gine depopulated mondo ji odhi tap into the resources mantiere e ground. To governors fail. Pesa mar county en pes governor gosiepene gi family ne. Kata mana joma tiye county go, they are also crying. Jomonde kanyo ministers kiang onge ngama nigi power kanyo. Ko gini yao conversation maduong sana e county government. To being Nairobi being the core of the devolved system, oken picha maber. Kani neno kaka ni penjo mokwongo cha kaka no bagni. Koro Sakaja fail terribly. Sani kano donje Nairobi debt mane Nairobi nigo was around 76 I think billion or something. Sani it is over 100. Onge gimo solve gik manowacho kate onge gimo timo. Otimo nothing. So of course there is a serious mismanagement of funds in Nairobi. Critical questions gemoringo. Mara ariyo, I've never agreed with how Senate is operating. A senator is supposed to come clear on accountability, transparency and oversight. Gik magitimo mar interviewing governors kagise misuse public funds kokiluongo magi manitimo during Moi regime kano se kwal pesa to gi form commission of inquiry to gina rhetoric questions kata in Cleophas penjo mipenjo governors gi. Have you ever seen serious action being taken? Iyudo ka ng'ato nonyiewo wheelbarrow 200,000. The amount of misuse of funds mabire public, those guys are not from that interview. Sheila, they are not supposed to continue ruling. Mano, bedo ni kelogie commission of inquiries is one of the flaws of the government. Senators omi offices adi. Gin go office Nairobi, gin go office county. Gin gi employees. They are supposed to follow the public fund. Samo chak implement budget. Mondo gi chak bedo whistleblower before the money is wasted. To gina kachacha gi homage ka pesa se bedo wasted. To gibiro gitimo these ceremonial questioning, inquiries with no action taken, then jogo doka they continue with misuse of funds. Mara gima je governors wacho ni Marni they are extorting money from them. There is no way they would be turning a blind eye sama jogi kwalo pesa if kok gi benefit. Ineno. Koro the system, our devolved system, is already flawed. Senate is not doing its work properly. Governors are failing because senators are not doing their work. Ajalo mi example. Sani dong nano ka ODM barore wangi sisi ni Sifuna gi joma dwa pawa. An nyaka ne Sifuna donje governance. He has said nothing about Nairobi County. Pokna winje odichieng' adi ko wuoye issues affecting Nairobi County. Eno siko mana ni Ruto must go. Ruto, who elected Sifuna to check Ruto? The constitution is very clear that the senator is responsible for the county Mosav. Iwinjo? To Nairobi being the pinnacle of the Kenyan economy, Kanya monengo beninye no ne wuoye molo any other thing.